My name's AR, and I painted this. Enjoy the video. Good morning, guys. It's time to go get some paint. I gotta go stock up. Apparently we didn't buy enough paint. All right, let's get some supplies.
I'm gonna buy right now.
That's pretty cool. We went shopping. You got everything, Russ? All right, there you go. I'm trying to get the guy on the bike. I could get 40 miles to the gallon on this Hawk.
Got room for one more if you still want to go to Aspen. I can get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
A dingo ate your baby? This thing's crazy. guys. No, that's not a Chipotle bag. It's a spray paint bag. And I had to change the glasses. I feel like I just needed a cooler vibe, like bring it down. I know I had that olive green, which is my favorite color, but I had to do it different. I had to offset it. I was gonna do magenta, but something told me just do teal. And then I verified with my boy, Rask, that you seen earlier. And see, there's always layers and layers of paint. Like this is acrylic and over spray paint. I'm never content what I want. I feel something's too busy. If I see something, it has to be right. It has to be the way I see it, the way I want it to be. And no one can understand that. And no one's gonna take it away from me. And that's the thing about being an artist. No one really knows what we go through and what's inside our minds. And it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. As long as I feel like it's right, it's right. And right here, this is where I'm gonna do the border, clean it up, make it look like a bomb, throw up, clean it up like some graffiti style. And I did put something in here, but I wasn't vibing it, and so I just sprayed over it. At the end of the painting, I'm gonna spray a matte clear finish, and we're gonna just do that. And so I do use these. This is new to me. I never really mess with this, but it's actually like a oil pastel. I don't know if you can see it right there. And I've been using it, but the thing is, this thing does not dry. So if I'm painting and my hand gets right here, it'll all smudge on my hand. And so I gotta be very, very careful with those until I spray it with a matte finish. And everything's just working out. Everything's tightening up. It's looking good. I'm vibing it. The flow's good. This only took me I'm on my second day working on it, because yesterday I put in some work on it. So but yeah, this is where we're at. And tonight I'm gonna put a couple hours into it, clean that up, and I think maybe some white drip or like drizzle right here. I don't know yet. I like this. I'm not gonna touch that. And then you could even see like the vibrations, like two different blacks that separate. And it's crazy because they're both black, but you see the separation between the colors, and I love that. And I like right here how it's just cracking up. So I just love this. I don't even know what to call this. Expressionism, abstract, and it's contemporary with like a new wave finish. Can't explain it, but I'm liking it. I'm digging it. Hand with just tattoos. Everything's coming out cool. So yeah, just minor touches, and then I'm done. Call it a day, and on to the next. So let's get to work. Peace.